Welcome to every stay-at-home mom's life. Today I'm doing a cleaning motivation video. Hopefully it helps you think about the things that are on your to-do list to get up and get moving, start a checklist, write things down, check them off, and get moving.
What happened? What did you do, Beckett? What happened, matey? Beckett made a big mess?
Yeah.
That face is still pretty cute, but I did lose my mind that day. It was pretty rough. But while I was doing that first load of laundry, Beckett snuck in and got the laundry detergent and evidently spilled it all over our brand new carpet that we have in the living room. But I've been wanting to buy liquid laundry detergent for a while now. So when I called and told my husband, he's like, well, at least you can buy laundry detergent now that half of it is on the floor. I tried to salvage as much as I could and then just vacuumed up the rest of it. It was so much soap. So hopefully you have a little sympathy for me, and hopefully your day went a little better than that morning did for me. This vacuum that I have is called the Hard Floor Hero, so it's meant like specifically for hard floors, and so it works really great actually on my concrete floors. I have been loving it. I tend to grab the vacuum more often than I grab the broom and dustpan, so I love it on the hardwood floors. I feel like all I had done in these 2 days when I was recording was laundry. But it is true, I did like 7 loads of laundry in these 2 days because my washer had gone out that previous 3 days before. And so I had finally gotten a new one in, and I feel like all I was doing was laundry, laundry, and laundry. We had hosted a couple of other families over for dinner and games on a Friday night, and so I felt like I had 3 loads of dishes to unload and reload that day. Who else has toddlers that is unloading the dishwasher as fast as you are loading it? Because I haven't had a dishwasher for 6 years. I finally got a dishwasher. I'm so excited, and now it's this other pain point in my life of everyone taking everything out, not knowing when we're unloading and loading the laundry, the dishes. And so every time I do it, I'm like, wait, I should just wash this by hand so I don't have to keep pulling the hands out of the dishwasher. But in the end, I still love my dishwasher. We have a scrap bucket sitting on our kitchen counter that gets filled with all the leftover food off of the kids' plates after every meal, vegetable scraps, and so on and so forth. And so we tend to take those out every other day or so, and the kids really like going out and helping feeding the pigs. I tried to throw the horses some oranges, and they were like, where's the apples or the sweet feed? They didn't want anything to do with my 2 oranges. I currently have 2 sows, and we're waiting to see if either of them got bred. They would be due in May if they did get bred. We're not too hopeful at the moment, but we'll see in May if they end up having babies. So that's what we have right now is the 2 pigs, 1 lone chicken, 2 horses, a cat, and a dog. So I do not fold my kids' clothes, and the reason is because I have Beckett, my 1-year-old, who unloads the kids' laundry every single day, I swear. And so it just goes in that plastic drawer set, and I think I put them in and out like twice every single day. That's his joy right now. I finally got some more shelving from the contractor for my pantry, and so this was late at night. My husband was working late, and so I had just given the kids baths, and then I was working on my pantry while they were kind of having quiet time watching TV, brushing their teeth, and just kind of relaxing before I put them in bed. This is kind of a pain point. My husband doesn't like to open shelvings for the fact that he wants it to look really nice and neat, but I'm also a functionable freak, and so if it isn't functionable, I don't want it to be pretty. I want it to be functional first and then look nice. So I will try to put more work and effort into my pantry to always make it better than it is, but for now it was just super nice to get a few more shelves up there and a couple of things organized. So my husband got me the automatic vacuum that you see running around there for Christmas, and I really do love it. I didn't get a mapping one, so it just runs on a schedule at 7 or 8 o'clock every night, and so it's really helpful to keep on top of it. So if it runs every night, it's cleaning something, and so as that thing turns on and cleans, it's reminding me to kind of pick up everything off the floor and get anything done, like dishes and cleaning off the countertop before we go to bed, so it's nice and neat for in the morning. So I am cleaning off dinner, wiping down the counters, loading the dishwasher so that way we have clean dishes in the morning, and washing some things by hand for the last like 10 minutes of the day while the kids are just about ready to go to bed. So, if you are a mom like me and feel like all you do is laundry and dishes, you are not the only one, because I am out here with you. All I do is laundry and dishes 24/7, I feel like. In order to get my house clean, laundry and dishes get done. But at the end of the night, when it's all sparkling clean and you just get to relax and enjoy, I really love waking up to a clean house. No, this does not happen every single night, but we do try to do it before we go to bed. Thank you so much for joining me in today's cleaning motivation video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. We'll see you next time.